this is our new video. In this video, we are gonna see in how much time Luca can finish an yogurt. So, let's watch.
Hi guys, start the timer.
3, oh wait, 3, 2, 1, oh,
Can I go?
yeah. 5 seconds,
Shut up.
10 seconds, gonna be ready.
Sì.
27, 46 seconds. Too slow. You can check. Show us. It's all empty.
It wasn't all this good. I didn't like it.
Okay.
This was with mix, chocolate waffles and yogurt. And what was that white thing? I think it was white chocolate.
Okay. Bye guys. Hope you like this video and
Put a like, subscribe and comment.